Bea Alonso at Dominic Roque, kinumpirma at nagsalita na tungkol sa pagtatapos ng kanilang engagement. Pero bago pong ating balita, huwag pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga balita. Kahapon Linggo, February 11, ay kinumpirma at nagsalita na sina Bea Alonso at Dominic Roque na tinatapos na nila ang kanilang engagement, na ilang linggo na ring pinag-uusapan ng breakup at status ng relasyon ng dalawa. Sa isang statement na magkasamang ipinost sa kanilang social media account, sinabi ni Bea at Dominic na ang paghihiwalay nila ay mutual decision. Narito ang kanilang pahayag. After much thought, consideration, and care, we have mutually decided to amicably end our engagement. It was not an easy decision. We wanted to have more time to carefully deliberate and pray about it. But there have been many speculations, questions, and insults. Sinabi ng dalawa na binasag nila ang kanilang katahimikan matapos magsalita sa publiko ang iba't ibang personalidad tungkol sa kanilang breakup na hindi naghihintay ng kanilang official statement. Unfortunately, some even confirmed our breakup without our consent, and some created ridiculous stories that had no basis and were utterly false. So we felt the need to share this announcement with great sadness for our peace of mind in our families. Humiling din sina Bea at Dominic sa publiko na bigyan sila ng privacy dahil nahaharap sila sa isang mahirap na sitwasyon. Please understand that this is an extremely painful, yet united decision, and we sincerely request for everyone to kindly spare us from more cruel and very hurtful words thrown on social media. We kindly request to give us the privacy we need as we navigate our future lives with respect, kindness, compassion, and dignity. Thank you for your understanding and support. Patatandaan noong April 2021 ay kinumpirma ni Bea Alonso na nililigawan siya ni Dominic Roque at kalaunan ay inanunsyo ng aktres ang kanilang engagement noong July 2023. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa iba pang showbiz updates. Kita-kita po tayo sa aking next video. Thank you.